Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In front of you Epson L3260 printer, and I print the nozzle test page. Printer is not printing, only blue color is printing, cyan color, and yellow and magenta and black is not printing. How to clean print head using this front panel without connecting to the PC. So if you can see, I will zoom in. This is the screen of printer. I will go to settings and second option maintenance and move right arrow, head cleaning, power cleaning. So you have to do power cleaning first, and we'll press OK to proceed, and then OK again, OK, agree, OK. 5 times I press OK, then it's asking me to press the start button here. I will press start button and showing that press start button for 5 seconds. I am holding it, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's showing that power cleaning started. Do not turn off power until complete. This task about 11 minutes. Okay, this will take around 11 minutes power cleaning process in L3260 printer, and then we will check the print quality again. This is the first step you can do at home without taking it to any service center, and power cleaning process will take around 11 minutes. Then we will check again nozzle test page, and hopefully it will fix the print quality. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. All the best.